electric trains, electric trials bikes. This is the OSET TXP 24. It's a kid's trials bike, but this is an adult size, and I've got the seat, and I'm here to show you how much fun it is. One amazing thing about this bike is the progressive throttle motor. I'm not really sure what they've done, but it's awesome. You've got these 3 modes, and you can adjust each one to whatever setting you want, 4 of each. You know, for learning you can go 1-1-1, and it's like perfect. You can't hurt yourself. You can learn how a bike reacts, how it feels just being smooth, and then you can obviously go up a few speeds. But even on flat out, this is flat out, and you can be, you know, this slow with it. So it is pretty impressive. First thing we've done is built this terrible berm / dug a ditch in the ground to the most pathetic little jump, because we're that excited to have a little play on it. I'm going to do a trial on it, a little club trial on it this weekend, which should be quite good, and then hopefully we're going to get to maybe a jump park or a skate park or something. But yeah, just to show you the different stuff it can do. Just found something insane that it can do in dealer boots, jeans and royal blood merch. Big step over there. It's actually quite big. Probably doesn't look that big, to be honest, but it's a fair size step. Oh, close. Oh, dick on. There's a part demo of how good it is at trials. Obviously that is its intended nature, but it's also made for sessioning whatever you want, which is, you know, it's what you want, isn't it? Hang on, we've got a shovel and a girlfriend on here. Boom. Danger. James Brown. We're just at dirt jumps and pump track. It's the next day, it's a little bit brighter, it's nice and dry, so let's get some cool vids. James is going to man well round here. Oh, James Brown! I'm way better on this than I am on my jump bike by a mile. As you can see, it is pretty incredible. Moved over to the dirt jumps. This isn't a demo of my dirt jump skills, it's how good the bike is, because I'm not good at jumping things. So you think I'll be alright? I'm going to back right up there, I think. And buddy! Big and down, hop round, back up and along. Trials riding. Good workout. Oh! This bike is wicked. Heavy. Yeah. This thing is the best. It's the pedalling that does it for me, so just gonna get some food and then come back and do a little bit more. I've got to park my van around the back because it's so tall, but look at that, all that playing, 1 bar gone. Madness. I want to be as good as James Brown, manual / wheelie down this bowl and then back in, but I'm not as technically advanced as him.
Oh, that was it.
James,
why did you stop?
I can't. Oh, that counts, that counts. Come on. It's a bit skatey for me, this. That's as good as we're getting, according to James. So I'm not doing it again. I can't do skate stuff, I can't do tricks, I'm not cool. But for me that was quite good. We're nearly done, I think. Maybe one more video, a little jump and that's it. But good day, and look, all this fun, only 1 battery gone. Right, we're done for the day. It's quite dark as you can see, but yeah, next, well, we're moving on to a little club trial I'm doing, so I'll see you there. Yeah. Blowing the shock up because I'm fat. I'll click on sale, couldn't we? Tree.
Wow.
section 3, lap 2. I'll try it intersection. Obviously it's not marked, but oh! Ew! Nice. Really. It is good. Successful day. Couple silly marks at the start, but 1 bar. I've done a whole trial, so that's pretty impressive. And it's been wet. But, Luke wishes he was riding. On to the next adventure with it. Back home after today. Proper good day. I really enjoyed that. I hope the video is not too painful to watch again. Yeah, we'll try and do more with the OSET. Definitely, it's a lot of fun to ride. It's enjoyable. So. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.